Hey, what's up guys? This is Akshay from AS Learning, and today in this video we'll be seeing about stable diffusion. So what is stable diffusion? Stable diffusion is a state-of-the-art text-to-image model that generates images from text. So you will be giving text as input and it will be generating an image out of that text. Okay, and the company behind stable diffusion is Stability AI. So Stability AI, they build a lot of cutting edge open AI models into image, language, audio, video, 3D, and biology also. And stable diffusion is their a recently open sourced diffuser based model, which has some great results. So let's just talk about stable diffusion in this video, and we'll be seeing the model card, the database, and and also we'll be trying some examples, and we'll be seeing how the model is. Okay, so so this is one of the result which I generated. Okay, so let's just take one of the example here, maybe um, this one. Okay. So currently, this Hugging Face API is quite busy. So maybe if you try some any another text, you might get errors because I faced errors while trying some random text. So here, the text input which we are giving is a high-tech solar punk utopia in Amazon rainforest, and the results are pretty good. It has captured the Amazon rainforest essence very nice. The high-tech solar punk is also very nicely captured. You can see solar panels also in this results, and very beautiful image generation. Let's try some other examples. An insect robot preparing a delicious meal. Beautiful. We have the insect, we have some foodie elements, and yeah, uh, we can get a feel that yes, it is making sense. Now, let's just see the advanced options and what do they mean. So, in this expose API, which they have exposed with the help of Gradio. So we have the parameter of images. We can change whatever images we want. Then we have steps. Now, what steps is that steps are that how many times the AI goes over the image and adds detail to it. Too little, and your image will look thrown together. Too many, and you will get diminishing returns and risk adding a little too much detail. The default is 50 steps, and you can change the parameter accordingly. For higher resolution, you should increase your step size. The next is guidance scale. So a guidance scale, in short, we can say that it is how closely your AI should follow your prompt. So how closely your AI should take your text input seriously. The default is kept at 7, but it has a range from 5 to 15. Okay, and seeds are just like random seeds, which we see in machine learning model building. They are the starting point of an image. So let's say you have fixed a seed and you have the same prompt, you will be getting the same results. And let's say if you want some similar images, then maybe you can just fix the seed and just change your prompt a bit, and you will be getting some similar kind of images. So the prompt, I mean the text which you're giving here. Okay, so this is what steps, guidance scale, seed, and images are. Now the next thing which we'll be seeing is the model card, and at last we'll be seeing the database on which this model was trained. Okay, so this is the model card. Okay, it's developed by Robin Rombach, Patrick Isser. Its license is the Creative ML Open Rail M license. Um Then some basic things I've already mentioned, that it's a latent text to image diffusion model capable of generating photorealistic images given any text input. Okay. And yeah, so if you want to know more about it and want to go more detail and technical, so what you can try to do is, maybe for accessing the repository, you need to enter your contact details, and after that you get the access of the model card with you. You will be getting the access of the entire code base, and then you can try out the stable diffusion model in your via code also. At last, we'll be seeing the database on which it was trained. So the data set on which it was trained was Leon dataset, and it was Leon 5B. That is, it contains roughly more than 5 billion image to text pairs, and this is currently the most biggest multi-model data set uh, currently built by researchers and contributors all around the world. And many of the models like DALI to Mini and Google Imagen, Midjourney, they all have been they all have made use of this data set for sure. So just to have a glimpse of the data set, you can see that the French cat input was given, and you can see the images of French cat which are being passed to the model. So this is on an upper scale what stable diffusion is. It's open expose API. I'll share the link of accessing the API in the video description. We'll go more technical with time. With time, I'll be downloading the open source, and with code, we'll be seeing how to generate these images. This was just a brief short intro video on what stable diffusion is, and what are the basics at like database and model card around it. And with time, you will be seeing more technical videos, like hands-on using this stable diffusion model. Then we'll be going more technical and more research oriented, like comparing the state of the results with DALI to Mini, Midjourney, Imagen, etc. So stay tuned to AS. I know it's been after a long time that we've uploaded a video. Yeah, but stay tuned to AS because more such amazing stuff is on the way. Okay. So take care, guys. And if you wanna check some other videos in the playlist, do check it. If you feel they are helpful, just give it some love by liking and sharing it. And stay tuned to AS for more such amazing tech stuff. Take care. Peace out.